Welcome back to Hobtech Cars. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of work on my MGB Roadster. Main item of business today is change the front grille. This is the original one. It's not in the worst of condition, but it's just a little bit worn. So I have a replacement from Moss Motors. So that's the replacement badge there. It's pretty much an exact replica to the one that's on the car. So there seems to be two methodologies that I can go after in changing the badge here today. Number one is remove the plinth. There is a Phillips head screw underneath here that I can get at. Through the chrome bumper, there's a gap and this whole unit should pop out. Or what other people are saying online is to come in behind the grille badge from this side with a flathead screwdriver and essentially just push the existing badge out very slowly. Some people say you can use like a very small flat-headed screwdriver and pry it out. After a little bit of exploration, I've decided to pry off the badge. It seems to be the simplest way forward here. Old one out, and this is the new badge to go in. Right, so that's an interesting looking setup, but I mean, it's the proper way to do it. Essentially, I'm just going to leave this here until the morning and I'll show you the end result then. That looks pretty smart. Yep, looks very, very nice. Let's get that old badge out again for comparison.